Hi guys, my name is Kara. Thank you for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file an LLC in the state of Florida. And you're also going to be filing your EIN number, which is really important to have for your new business. And you guys, this whole process is going to take about 5 minutes, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, but either way, it's going to be super quick. So to get started, click the link in my description below, and that way you can follow along while I'm talking and you can get your LLC filed. So click that link and let's get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Tabler Brands website, and we're going to start off by clicking the state of Florida. All right, and what is your business name? So for me, I do mobile eyelash extensions. So I'm going to type in my business. And for this, you already want to have a business name in mind. If it says that it's not available, you'll have to adjust your name a little bit. And we're just going to click next. And what stage are you currently in? You can click any of these. It won't really affect your LLC at all. And what industry are you in? So this is, as you'll see, when you type in a letter, literally like a million options come up. So if you're not really sure what category that your business is in, or maybe you're in a few different categories, just start to type something and you'll see a few different options come up. So for me, we're going to click eyelash extensions. And what are you selling? Either a physical good or a professional service. So for me, I'm doing a professional service. But more than likely, you're going to pick between one of these two options. Now, if you have something that's not an item or a service, you can type that in down here. But like I said, most of the time, it's going to be one of those two. And are you planning to hire employees? So for me, it's just myself working, so I'm going to click no. But if you're not really sure about this, maybe you have employees, or maybe you don't and you might want to hire some, you can click not sure, you can click yes. Again, this part doesn't affect your filing for an LLC. Okay, so next you're going to type in your zip code. And where are your customers primarily? So are you mostly selling products online, or maybe you have a shop or store that you sell at, or maybe you're on the go, you're doing a mobile service. So as I mentioned, I have a mobile service, I'm on the go. Now, sometimes you might have two of these or even all three. So what you're going to do is just pick the one that best applies for your situation and which one you consider as like the heart of your business. So for me, let's say I have a website, but I also am traveling, I'm mobile. I'm still going to click on the go because that's where the majority of my customers is on the go. And what are you planning to do for your business? So we're going to make sure that LLC is highlighted, and I'm also going to have you click your EIN number. So the reason I want you to get your EIN number today is because the EIN is so important for a new business. Basically, your EIN is like the social security number of your business, and you're going to need it when you file taxes. You're going to need it when you open a business bank account or when you get a business credit card. So it's just something really important to have. You can do it separately from Tabler Brands, but I just don't see any point when you can just get it all right here, get it done with. It's fast, it's easy, boom. So let's click that EIN as well. And this is just asking what I've already done for my business. I'm going to click skip here. Okay, and how did you discover Tabler Brands? That's the website we're using. And you're just going to click YouTube through this video. Okay, and this is something Tabler Brands offers. They're giving you a free 12-week coaching program. I mean, it's free. I don't see why not. It's always good to learn something new, so we're going to click yep. Okay, and you can just fill out your personal information here. Oops. And you can create a secret password. Okay, and again, it's asking if you'd like to open your EIN number through Taylor Brands or if you'd like to do it on your own. Now, like I said, you can do it on your own outside of this website. I just, again, don't see any point. You know, there's always room for error if you're doing it on your own. Taylor Brands can do it for you for just $99, and it gets all done today. I feel like it's a great option to have that. So we're going to click Help Get My EIN and hit Next. And as far as a registered agent, so 99% of the time, you're going to be your own registered agent. And especially if you live in Florida, you will be your own registered agent. So we're going to click right here, appoint a different registered agent, which would be myself. Now, if you don't live in the state and you're opening an LLC for a different state, or maybe your accountant tells you otherwise, then you may want to consider using Taylor Brands to help you out or assigning someone. But like I mentioned, most of the time, you're going to be your own registered agent. We're going to click Yes. And your LLC must be renewed every single year. And that's no matter what state you live in. Florida is no exception. You have to renew your LLC every single year. If you don't, someone could take your business name, or you just have to refile it. It's just more time, more money, and it's kind of an extra process when you lose it and have to refile it. So this is offering if you'd like Taylor Brands to refile it for you every year. Let's say maybe you're gonna get busy, you might forget. They can do that for you for an extra $199. For me, I'm just gonna make sure I write that down, do it every single year, get it refiled. So I'm gonna click I will handle the compliance. Okay, and would you like a branding toolkit? I'm gonna click no. And this is asking if you'd like it to be expedited to you, your LLC, in 2 days. It's an extra $49. I'm going to click yes because I want to get started. I'm excited. I'm ready to have my LLC. So we're going to pay that $49. If you have some time to wait and you're in no rush, you can click the 14-day wait time, and there's no additional fee on top of that. But like I mentioned, I want it now. I want it as fast as possible, so I'm going to click the 2 days. And operating agreement, we'll click, we don't need it. I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And a finance manager is something that Taylor Brands offers to you, which is very cool. So it kind of gets you set up as far as the invoices, bookkeeping, and this is something they offer as a free trial. So if you want to try it out, maybe it'll help you stay organized and help you make more money in the long run because you're going to know exactly where all the money is going, what you're doing. You can click this. It's a free trial. I don't really know how much it costs afterwards, but they'll give you, an estimate at the end, see if you like it. For me, it's just myself running my business. I have a small business, so I'm just going to click I will manage my own books and invoices. Do you want to get notified about your LLC? Yes, I do. And you guys, you can see I have a couple different plan options that you can click. But to get the LLC and the EIN, you really only need this light plan. You're not getting anything extra. You're just getting that LLC. So let's click this. Okay, and now it's going to show you exactly what you're paying for today. So the Florida filing fee is $130, and that's regardless of how many businesses you open. So let's say you open 5 more businesses in the state of Florida over this year. You'll have to pay $130 for every single time that you open a new one. You're getting this free business coaching program. We're paying for that $49 expedited filing fee. You can see these are not highlighted, so not paying for that. And your EIN number is $99. Again, highly recommend you get it here, get it out of the way. Then you just go to your payment. And that's it, you guys. You see how easy and fast that is. Once you enter your, credit card information, it's going to ask you a couple more questions like personal information and things like that. So make sure you complete all of it. But that's it. That was like 5 minutes. You've already completed your LLC. You're going to get your EIN number. You're going to get all of that in like 2 days. So that's it. Best of luck in having a super successful business, and I'll see you guys on the next one.